Yeah. So you'll get 2 to 3 questions based on this topic in SAT. If you can listen to me carefully for next 1 hour, I can assure you can solve any question that comes as part of the exam. I can 100%. So for the next few minutes, let me explain you the concepts that you as a student is required to solve any question that comes as part of the exam. If you know the concept, it becomes easy if you can practice. So for next few minutes, I would be focusing on the concepts that is required. Then we shall be solving the questions based on this. So what is a line? Collection of points that extends in both directions indefinitely is called a line. So we are not here for any definitions. So I don't want to waste your time and my time with the definitions. I'll come to the point. So in lines and angles, what is required as part of SAT is, suppose if we have two parallel lines. Everyone in the class is aware of what is the meaning of a parallel line. What is a parallel line? Parallel lines are the lines that they never intersect at any point of time. You extend 2 kilometers this side, 2 kilometers that side, at 10 kilometers, they never intersect. So if I have two parallel lines, and if I have a line that is intersecting those two lines, generally we call this line as transversal. So if I have two parallel lines and if I have a transversal that is intersecting both the parallel lines, so we get some angles. What are the angles? Interior angles, exterior angles, corresponding angles, so many angles. But according to me, only two angles. You need to learn the subject in this way. According to us, only two angles are formed. What are those? One is small angle, other is a big angle. One is small angle. Every concept that I explain in class is most important. Everyone should be aware with 100% accuracy. Then only we can solve questions. So your focus should be on my explanation. So we have, when two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, we get two types of angles. One is a small angle, other is a big angle. This is a small angle. This is a big angle. First point. All small angles are equal. First point, all small angles are equal. Second point, all big angles are equal. All big angles are equal. Third point, any small angle plus any big angle is equal to 180 degrees. Any small angle plus any big angle is equivalent to 180 degrees. I hope I'm clear. All small angles are equal. Only two types of angles are formed when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal. According to me, this is how you need to learn the subject. One is a small angle, other is a big angle. So the first point is all small angles are equal. Second point is all big angles are equal. And the third point is any small angle plus any big angle is equivalent to 180 degrees. Clear? Very simple. Only the simple concept that you are required to know in lines. Then in angles, suppose if I take a triangle, what is sum of interior angles in a triangle? Sum of interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Interior angles. What is sum of exterior angles? First of all, what is an exterior angle? This is an exterior angle. This is an exterior angle. This is an exterior angle. So sum of exterior angles in a triangle is 360 degrees. If I have a quadrilateral, sum of interior angles is 360 degrees. Sum of exterior angles is also 360 degrees. If I have a pentagon, sum of interior angles is 540 degrees. Sum of exterior angles is still 360 degrees. If I have an hexagon, sum of interior angles is 720 degrees interior angles, and sum of exterior angles is still 360 degrees. So what is the moral here is sum of exterior angle, sum of, you should know every point, sum of exterior angles of an n-sided polygon is 360 degrees. Sum of exterior angles of an n-sided polygon is 360 degrees. Any polygon you take, 10 sides, 20 sides, 100 sides, 10,000 sides, Sum of exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degrees. Very good. Now, what is sum of interior angles? So sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles of triangle is 180, quadrilateral is 360, pentagon is 540, hexagon is 720, decagon, if I want to find decagon, 10-sided figure, so what it would be? It would be 1440. I did not by heart, I am calculating in my mind. So how to find sum of interior angles is sum of interior angles of any n-sided polygon is given by n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Do n minus 2 multiply with 180 degrees. So what I meant to say here is, suppose if I have an hexagon. What is the meaning of an hexagon? 6-sided polygon. So if I have a 6-sided polygon, 6 minus 2 into 180, which is 4 into 180, which is 720 degrees. If I have a decagon, what is the meaning of decagon? 10-sided polygon. So 10 minus 2 into 180. 8 into 180, 1004. I am good at fast in calculations here. So 8 into 180, 1440 degrees. So if I know the number of sides a polygon has, sum of interior angles of any n-sided polygon is given by n minus 2 times 180 degrees. As simple as that. Okay? Yeah. So sum of interior angles of any polygon is given by n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Sum of exterior angles is given by 360 degrees. Simple things. I'm not complicating, and I'm just teaching you what is required. That's it. I'm not going even 1% beyond or 1% less. You just need to know every point that I'm discussing here. So you are required to know this. You should know what is a parallel line and what is a transversal. You should know sum of interior angles of any polygon, and you should know what is heptagon. Heptagon means 7-sided figure. Octagon, 8-sided figure. Nanogon, 9-sided figure. Decagon, 10-sided figure. You should know the names. Most of you knows. Tri, 3, triangle. Quad, 4, quadrilateral. Pent, 5, pentagon. Hex, 6, hexagon. Hept, 7, heptagon. Octagon, nanogon, and decagon. So should know at least up to decagon all the sides and the names.
7 septagon.
Heptagon, heptagon.
Okay.
So you should know the names up to the sides up to 10 here, and what is their interior angles and what is an exterior angle. Now we should know the most important concept is triangles, most dangerous. They try to give some difficult questions where most of the students fail to solve. For the next 20, 25 or 30 minutes, let me explain the concepts related to triangles. You should be completely focusing on these concepts. Then today's class and even in the next class, we'll solve completely the questions based on the triangles and lines and angles. I want you to be perfect in these topics. If you are perfect, you get up to 3 questions. Up to 3 questions. 3 questions is too much in SAT. Now, what is a triangle? What are the properties of triangles? What are the different types of triangles are there? How to find their perimeter, area? What is similar triangle? What is a congruent triangle? What is similarity? That is what similar triangles. So I'm going to discuss all this in detail. We'll also discuss what is right angle isosceles triangle, equilateral isosceles triangle, and right angle triangle, 30, 40, 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle, 45, 45, 90 degrees triangle. So we'll discuss all this in detail. Please listen to me. If you feel any important point, write down immediately in notes. You need to have these concepts in mind. If you don't have the concepts in mind, you go to the exam. I can't just simply open the question and ask you to solve. No use, right? So first and the most important thing that is required. So yeah. So triangles. What are the properties of triangles? We have many properties. So we need to know the simple properties that are there. First property is, everyone in the class says, sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees, and you will also say sum of exterior angles of a triangle is also equal to 360 degrees. These two we learned just now. Next property is exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Suppose if I have angle A, angle B, angle C. So this angle is small a, this angle is small b. This is C, angle C is equal to angle A plus angle B. So exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Next property. Right, simple, right? Sum of interior angles, sum of exterior angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Now, next property that you should know is A, B, and C. Let this be angle A, let this be angle B, this is angle C. Assume angle A is greater than, angle B is greater than angle C. Means angle A is the greatest angle, assume. And angle C is the least angle. So the side opposite to the greater angle or the greatest angle, greater angle is greatest, means BC is greater than AC is greater than AB. The side opposite to the greater angle is greatest and the side opposite to the smaller angle is the least. The next property that you are required, every property counts. Not that and not this. I'm teaching you what is required as part of exam. So you should have awareness of all this. So focus on this and we'll solve questions very soon. Don't worry. Immediately soon I'll start solving the questions, but I need to explain you the concept, right? So the side opposite to the greater angle is greatest and the side opposite to the smaller angle is least. So sides opposite to equal angle, sides opposite to equal or same angles are equal. Sides opposite to the same angles are equal. Sides opposite to the same angle are equal. Okay. So just for now, you just one more most important property. You people think simple, but again I'm repeating, this is one of the most important property. What is that most important property is sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side, or difference of any two sides. This is difference, either means A minus B or B minus A. Difference of any two sides is less than the third side. Most important property. You can easily make mistake in this sort of questions. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side, or difference between the any two sides of a triangle is always less than the third side. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side, difference is always less than the third side. Okay, yeah. So these are the simple properties that you require to know. Once you know these properties, the next thing is we can classify triangles based on their sides and angles. I don't want to go into that. I want more importantly, I want these types of triangles. One is equilateral triangle. SAT is more interested about equilateral triangle and right angle triangle. So these are the two types of questions which we are most interested in. Suppose if I have an equilateral triangle, triangle ABC, if I have a triangle ABC, this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. Assume it is an equilateral triangle, means angle A is equal to all angles are equal and all of them are equal to 60 degrees. So we know triangle is equilateral when all the sides are equal and each angle is 60 degrees, right? So if I have an equilateral triangle, assume A is the side of an equilateral triangle. Area of the equilateral triangle is given by √3/4 A square. If I have an equilateral triangle and if A is the side of an equilateral triangle, area of the equilateral triangle is given by √3/4 A square. And the height of the equilateral triangle is given by √3/2 times A. Most important. So if I have an equilateral triangle, the height of the equilateral triangle is given by, if A is the side, root 3 by 2A, and the area is given by root 3 by 4A square. That's it. Only these two things you need to know. Now, we all should know what is a right angle triangle. What is a right angle triangle? A triangle in which one of the angles is 90 degrees. Correct, right? A triangle in which one of the angles is 90 degrees is called right angle triangle. So what is the property of a right angle triangle? We know the side opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, means AB square plus BC square. Everyone in the class is aware of this. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is side square plus side square. So we have some Pythagorean triplets. When I say Pythagorean triplets, if this is 3 square, if this is 4, if this is 4, this is 3, this automatically becomes 5, because 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So 25 is equal to 25. So 3, 4, 5 are our Pythagorean triplets. Okay, very good. Perfect. Now, not just 3, 4, 5. Everything that saves even 1 second is most important to me. So you need to remember this Pythagorean triplets. We know 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets because they are the sides of the equilateral, sorry, right angle triangle. So similar to this, we have many. I'm writing everything on the board. Try to remember so that you'll save a lot of time in your exam. Other is 6, 8, 10. Other is 9, 12, 15. I'm doing simple. I'm just doubling this. I'm making 3 times of this, into 3 and into 2. 3 into 2, 6, 4 into 2, 8, 5 into 2, 10, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 3, 12, 5 into 3, 15. Next is 5, 12, 13, 10, 24, 26. Just double this, you get this. 5, 12, 13, 10, 24, 26. Next thing. 7, 24, 25. Next. 8, 15, 17. Next. 9, 40, 41. Next. 11, 60, 61. Minimum. There are many more. But frequently asked as part of the SAT exam is what I'm focusing on you here. You should know these Pythagorean triplets. If you know in a right angle triangle, if one side is 61, other is 11, you should not waste your time to find square root of 61 square minus 11 square. Alibaba only does this. In the sense, you'll waste a lot of time. You should not waste your time. So 11, 60, 61. So these are called some of the Pythagorean triplets. 41 square is 1681, which is 40 square plus 9 square. 61 square is 3721, which is 3600 plus 121. 11 square plus 60 square is 61 square. So you double this, you get this. So please do remember this. 5, 7, 9, 9 Pythagorean triplets. They should be there in your brain. Okay. Yeah. Now, next most important thing that you are required to know. After this, I'll solve few questions here. I can teach for hours, but just teaching theory is not entertaining. I give you questions, you make mistakes, you enjoy from what Venkat has explained, then you will do better. You'll be more active in the class. So after this, till whatever I explained here, we'll open the questions and we'll try to solve questions. If you have any questions based on whatever the discussion that is happening so far, then we'll discuss the next points mainly about similarity and congruence after few steps. Now, we have two types of right angle triangles which are most important as part of SAT exam. One is 30, 60, 90 degrees right angle triangle. Other is 45, 45, 90 degrees right angle triangle. So we have two types of right angle triangles which are most important for exam perspective. So if I have a right angle triangle ABC, if angle B is 90, if this is 30 degrees, if this is 60 degrees, if the side opposite to 30 degrees is A, then the side opposite to 60 degrees would be root 3A, and the side opposite to 90 degrees is 2A. In 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle, if the side opposite to 30 degrees is A, and the side opposite to 60 degrees is root 3A, then the side opposite to 90 degrees is 2A. In 45, 45, 90 degrees triangle, A, B, and C, this is 90, this is 45, this is 45. If the side opposite to 45 is A, this also becomes A. Then the side opposite to 90 becomes root 2A. In 45, 45, 90 degrees triangle, if the side opposite to 45 degrees is A, So this 45 degrees also will become A because the sides opposite to equal angles are same. So the side opposite to 90 degrees would be root 2 times A. Other simple concept that I'm explaining here. So we have two types of right angle triangle, 30, 60, 90. This is also called isosceles right angle triangle because 45, 45 are same. In 45, 45, 90 degrees triangle, if the side opposite to 45 is A, then the side opposite to 90 is root A, 30, 60 is 30 is A, 60 is root 3A, and the 90 is 2A. Okay. So with the concepts that we have learned right now, we are going to solve the questions that we have learned. Sir, sir, so yeah, with the concepts that we have learned so far, I am going to do the questions based on all this from the actual papers. Let us actively involve and solve the questions. I am opening test 10. Any question that is there on lines and angles or triangles is what I am most focused on right now. I'll solve only those questions. Lines and angles. Yeah, you can solve question number 8. Simple question. Just simple basic question. Everyone just should type your answer in the chat box. Question number 8 in section 3. Everyone should type here. Be fast. Good. Good. Be careful. You find X in hurry, mark X as the answer. This is what is the mistakes that you need to learn. These are the types of mistakes that you need to learn. Perfect. Most of you has given me answer. So Vanilla gave me answer, Pranav gave me answer, Anand gave me answer, Sidhu gave me answer, Sidhu, be careful, Sidhu. Samit gave me answer, Mayuka gave me answer, Aviram gave me answer, Anushka gave me answer, Likit gave me answer, Mahi gave me answer, Abhinav gave me answer, and Guru Raj also gave me answer. Aditya also gave me answer. Simple question, right? Who did not give me last year also gave me answer. Who did not give me answer? You need to be careful. You need to be active. If you are not active, I cannot do anything. Yeah. Now, when I see this question, if I see this question, simple question according to me. So this total align makes an angle of 180 degrees. Out of this is 90 degrees. So this should also be 90 degrees. So x plus 2x plus 2x should be 90 degrees. So 5x is 90. So x is equal to 18. So 3x is 3 into 18, 54. Hardly 5 seconds, not more than 5 seconds. If you are clear in concepts, questions are very simple. Even same with the writing part. So answer for 8th question should be 54 degrees should be answer. Now I'm looking for the questions based on triangles, lines and angles from entire things until what I explained. The concepts only till what I explained. I'm not going to go beyond that. You'll get many questions. Just have patience. Glance it. I told you, right? If you want to get good score in SAT, the first thing that you need to do is you need to be able to identify the types of questions. If you are in a position to identify the questions, you are the winner here. No one can stop you from getting good score because you can identify questions only when, yeah. 30th question, everyone should solve and type your answer in the chat box fast. Very good question, simple but very good question. Let me see how many of you can answer and give me answer in less than 1 minute. Start your time, start now. Everyone should answer. 3 students give me answer, even others. Everyone should try in the class. No one should sit idle. Everyone should try. Perfect. 7 students gave me answer. Very good. But the people are giving different answers. Some of them says A, some of them says C, some of them says B, some of them says D. Very good. All options have been covered here. Very good. Here, excellent. Excellent. So some people are saying B. Everyone should answer. So don't sit quiet. If you get an answer, don't think it is a correct answer. Just look into the question. First thing that you need to do in SAT is write all the information that you have. First thing. When I explain, it looks so simple. You need to go step by step. First, write all the information that you have. Go step by step. Recall what your teacher has explained or what are the concepts that you know in that topic. Definitely, you'll get correct answer. 100% you'll get correct answer. Perfect. So people have typed some answers. So now let me solve and see how and it should solve. AD is parallel to BC. That is information. Immediately I write there is quadrilateral. It seems four-sided figure. CD is half of AB. So means if this is X, this is 2X. What is the measure of angle B is the question. So now I'm drawing a perpendicular, same perpendicular here. This is a 90. This is also 90 because these two are parallel lines. These two are same angles. If this is 90, this should be 90. These two are parallel lines. If this is 90, this is 90. So this is 90, 90, 90, 90. If this is X, this should be X. This should be X. This also should be X. See how simply I'm doing. Now immediately something, somewhere I saw X and 2X. I explained it to you. Something Venkat has explained it to me. What he explained? Yes, X and 2X. Yes, something they are doing with 30, 60, 90 degrees. Immediately this should come into your mind. Yes, there is 30, 60, 90 degrees application here. So if this is 30, this automatically would be 60 and this would be automatically 90. Sometimes they ask what is the length of AD. Very few people can solve because 30, 60, 90 application is important. Again, I'm repeating. Listen here, it's very simple. Only thing is you need to be able to apply whatever I explained. So draw one perpendicular parallel to this. So let all of them be X, 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 and X. So if they're X, AB would be 2X because CD is off of AB. Now immediately somewhere this is relating to me X and 2X. So if this is 90, definitely the side opposite this should be 30 because this is X and 2X. So this should be 60. Now they're asking me what is the measure of angle B? Angle B is 90 plus 60, which is 150. So A for Agra is answer. Let me see how many of you have given me correct answer. See how simple is this? But only thing is what you need to do. You need to do 2-3 things. First is confidence. Second is you need to write all the information he has given and apply whatever I taught you. Simple. Now, but problem with most of the students is they do something. Let me read out the names because good question. If you given me answer by fluke, you are lucky here. Barney has given me correct answer. Pranav has given me correct answer. Guru Raj has given me correct answer. Abhinav Reddy has given me correct answer. That's it. The remaining all gave me something else. So no problem. If you give something else, I'm most happy because there is a chance for you to learn. So just learn what are you doing mistake and how to learn them, then definitely you'll be winner. So I hope it is clear to you. So I'm moving to the next question. If anyone says this is not clear, even some of you who solved, you need to know the best way to solve question here. This is the best way. It takes hardly 10-15 seconds. 30, 60, 90, 90, 60. So 90 plus 60, 150. So 150 degrees should be your answer. So A for Agra should be your answer. Okay. Yeah. Then there will be many questions. Already 2 questions we have solved. So I can see one triangle question here, and that's it. 3 questions I can see here. So everyone, please do solve 30-second question and please do type your answer in the chat box. Please do say 30-second question and type your answer in the chat box. Everyone can solve. Very good. Very good. Almost 16 students have given me answer. Perfect. Very happy. Easier. Yes, definitely easy. If you follow the steps and do the things, definitely it is very easy. Very good. Very good. Everyone should answer. Very good. Very good. Gururaj, Pranav, Abhinav, Mayuka, Aditya, Venela, Lasya, Liket, Mahi. Very good. So everyone should type. Anushka. Okay. So Anand, Abhiram, everyone has given this answer. So what he says, A is equal to 34 degrees. If A is equal to 34, B plus C is 180 minus 34, which is 146 degrees. So B plus C is 140. So that easy question. So we need to leave it then and there. Now let me move on to, yes, yes. Okay, Sidhu Bharani, perfect. Now let me move on to the next papers that we have and solve all the questions related to lines and angles. You need to become perfect based on the lines and angles and triangles. Only lines and angles and triangles. I'm not focusing on any other topic for now. Only lines and angles and triangles. No. Okay. This is a triangles, but involved with bit of trigonometry. So when I explain the trigonometry, you'll be able to solve here. I just purely want to focus on lines and angles and triangles questions. So very simple question has come up with you. Everyone just solve question number 7 and type your answer in the chat box. Question number 7, please do type your answer in the chat box fast. Perfect. Good, good, very good. Excellent. So everyone is solving. So simple question. And the answer for this one should be they're asking. So AD and BE intersected C. If X is equal to 100, this is 100, 100 plus 120. So this should be 60. This also should be 60. 60 plus 40 is 100. So Y should be 80. So C for Chennai should be your answer. Perfect. Perfect. Most of you has given answer as C for Chennai except one or two. So just see where you are making mistakes. So identify the mistake. The moment you can identify the mistake, you are the winner here. If you can't identify the mistake, you'll stay back there itself. So we'll have other questions. Let me open. Let me open and discuss. This is also a trigonometry. In this paper, he focused more on trigonometry questions. So this is scatter plot, circles, lines, probability. So box plot, percentages, 36, mostly it will not be there. So this paper, we don't have many questions. They gave one question. But in the recent papers, if I see, you'll get based on lines and angles, you'll get up to 2 to 3 questions here. Lines and angles and triangles. So with today's class, you should become perfect in that topic. And there is more concepts to explain. I'll explain you the concept after solving 1 or 2 more questions. Then we'll discuss the concepts too. Yeah. Please do solve this question and tell me your answer. Question number 4. Question number 4 in section 3. Everyone should give me here fast. Fast. 5 students give me answer. Even others, be active, very active in the class. But fast. You need to compete among yourselves. Abhinav, very good. Mahi, Mayuka, Anand, and Sidhu, and Guru Raj. So I received Pranav. I received answers from these people. Even others should be very fast and perfect answer. Fast and perfect answer. Both should be there. Others too. Be fast here. Be fast and type your answer in the chat box. You should be active. So when I see this question, so they gave a simple logic. What is the logic that they had given? RT is equal to TU is what they said. RT is equal to TU. So since RT is equal to TU, RT and TU are equal. So this angle should be same as this angle. And they gave this is 114. So this should be 180 minus 114. What is 180 minus 114? 66. So this should be 33. This should be 33. And they gave me this angle as 33 and 31. So this angle as 31 plus 33 is 64. So 180 minus 64. This is 180 minus 64. So this automatically becomes 64. No need to do even all this, because this is an exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So 31 plus 33, which is equivalent to 64. So answer should be C for Chennai. That is what I say. Every point is most important. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. The moment you know that, you can solve this question. So simple question, right? But you need to solve in less than 1 minute. You are taking time. Most of you are taking time. Very if you are giving in less than 1 minute. So first accuracy, then you should work on your speed. The moment you have both of them, you are the winner. No one can stop you from getting things. So in section 3, you have a question on 20th, but you should know the concept of circles too. The moment you know that, you'll be able to solve question number 3, question number 4. Yes, question number 5. Question number 5 is based on lines and angles. Everyone actively should participate, compete, and give me your answer. Question number 5 in section 4. Abhinav and Kirtan gave me their answers. Mahi gave me her answer. Fast. With this today's class, 3 questions are in your pocket. You know the basic, and the 3 questions will be in pocket. Good. Vardhan, Anushka, Sidhu, Mayuka, Aditya, Abhiram, Samhit, Vanilla, Pranav, Likit, Mahi, Gururaj, Kirtan, Abhinav, and Gururaj. So these are the students who gave me answers. So when I see this question, y is 20, z is 60, what is the value of x? These two are parallel lines. So I clearly told you, since these two are parallel, this is small angle, this is also small angle. So this is also 20. So 20 plus 60 is 80. So this should be your favorite 100. So B for Bangalore should be your answer. Just apply the simple concepts I discussed with you. You will rock. Easily you'll be able to solve the questions. So answer is 100. Century should be your answer. You all will be very happy, right? When someone gets 100 marks or 100 runs. Now let me see what are the other questions that are there here. You also need to learn the practice of identifying the questions. The moment you can identify the questions, okay, by looking at the question, you'll be able to do the question, solve the question. Question number 36 is there, but you should know trigonometry, so I'm leaving it. So now listen to me for 2 minutes related to trigonometry. Once you know that, you can solve these questions, because basic trigonometry is required when you are solving this. In next class, I'll explain similarity. But in today's class, for next 2-3 minutes, I'll explain trigonometry and we'll solve this question. Even the, I think last paper or in this paper only, I solve a question based on the trigonometry. So in triangles is an integral part of trigonometry. In right angle triangle, if I have a right angle triangle A, B and C, if angle B is 90 degrees, side opposite to B is, this is AC. Yeah, I have a right angle triangle here. AC is small b, BC is small a, AB is small c. Generally, we represent as this, right? The sides of the triangle. So assume we have three sides of the triangle. So the moment I have three sides of the triangle, we should just need to know these basic properties. Suppose if this is C, what is sine C? It is sine X. Let it be X. What is sine X? Opposite by hypotenuse. So C by B. What is cos X? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So A by B. What is tan X? Sine by cos. So opposite by adjacent. So C by A. That's it. I need to know only these formulas. Now, once I know these formulas, I should know other most important. Sine 90 minus X is cos X. Cos 90 minus X is sin X. That's it. If I can know these basic functionalities, we can solve any question related to trigonometry, but we need to know what are the different ways to measure angles. That is a completely different part, not related right now. When I'm explaining circles, I'm going to discuss that again with you. But if I have these simple concepts, what is sine, what is cos, what is tan, and sine 90 minus X and cos 90 minus X, definitely I would be able to solve any question that comes as part of the exam here. So with this, everyone in the class, please do solve question number 36 and give me answer. Very few can solve, I'm sure, but who can apply the concept definitely will get answer in seconds. So please do solve and give me your answer for question number 36. Start, your time starts now. Fast. Remember whatever explained so far and start solving this question. Question number 36. Good, very good, excellent. 3 students gave me answer perfect here. Even others, just give me your answer. Perfect. I got 2 answers, 2 different answers, 4 different answers. 5 students gave me answer, but 4 different answers. Not good. You should give me proper, perfect answer. Everyone should give me proper, perfect, simple. Just remember whatever I said in the class. If you can remember this, done, done. If you can just remember this, you can solve questions. Kirtan sir, Guru Raj sir, and Pranav and Anand, Mayuka. Others to just fatafat here. I'll give only 30 more seconds. If you can solve, very good. Don't exaggerate the question, just simple questions, because SAT, you need to solve question in less than 1 minute. So they can't give difficult questions, the basic questions. You need to apply the base, you'll get the answers. Only thing is you need to apply the base properly and perfectly. Okay, very good. Students who have given the answers, very good. Who are finding difficult to solve, see how simple it is to solve. Very good, excellent. Bharani, Abhinav, very good. You're very happy. Yeah. So who are struggling to solve, just see here how to solve this. Aditya, no, here you made a small mistake. Just see here how to solve. So he's asking cos of RSW, cos of RSW. So we don't know what is the W. W is a point not shown on the line RT. So don't get worried. So W is a point. Let it be X. This will be automatically 90 minus x, correct, right? Because the total is 90. If this is x, this is 90 minus x. Cos x minus sine of 90 minus x. WST is 90 minus x. Cos x minus cos x. Cos x minus cos x is katam 0. See, how simple is this? It takes hardly 2 seconds or 5 seconds or 10 seconds. But students complicate the things. Don't complicate. Have confidence on you. When you will have confidence? When you solve more and more questions. I gave you one very good book. One or two students don't have, they did not send me mail ID. If you can send mail ID, I can send you the book. You should open the book and start solving. Start solving. Ask the teacher where I can get more questions from. So now let me open the next paper and solve all the questions that we have been discussed except similarity and congruence that I'll cover in the next class. Important, I'll take some few questions, most important questions here. Most probably you might struggle to solve them. Yeah, I can see a question here. I think, but it is related to similarity, the way it has appeared to me. Okay, so it is similarity. So let us leave it. Simple, but I don't want to do it right now. Since I did not do. Okay. I can't see any question here. 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 I can't see any question. Question is there, but out of scope. In the next page. What triangles are above shown above? This is also based on similarity. Yes, similarity, you get one or two questions here. You get frequently questions. I know that. So we'll be discussing that concepts in next class because I need time for that. Aram say we need to do, not in hurry bari. I can see two triangles questions. Both of them are based on similarity and triangles. So I'm not discussing them. No. I'm missing some question here. I'm not. Okay, so I don't see any question here. Let me go to other paper fast. Let me go to section 3. Yeah, I went to section 3. I'm glancing at the questions. Even you can glance. Just glance the questions. No. Yes, simple question. Tell me answer for 20th question. Question number 20. Simple one. Everyone should give me answer as fast as possible. Different people are giving different answers here. Everyone should give me same answer here. Simple question here. Aditya gave me answers. Swati gave, Mayuka, Abhinav, Gururaj, Vanilla. These are the students that they gave me answers, but they gave me different answers. Abhiram gave me an answer. Anant gave me an answer. Vardhan gave me an answer. Pranav gave me an answer. Lasya gave me an answer. Likit gave me an answer. Different students are giving different answers. I have answers like 83, 97, 74, 77, 51. Why for simple one question? How can I get so many answers here? Sidhu gave me an answer. Mahi gave me an answer. Same question. Why? How can we get different answers? Simple, right? So he's asking what is the value of x. So you can do it multiple ways. If this is 106, if this is 106, this should be automatically 74 because 106 plus 74 is, so 74 plus 23 is 97. So x is equal to 97. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So I forgot this means you take this as 180 minus x. So 180 minus x plus 74 plus 23 is equal to 180. So just solve for x, still you get 97. But it don't require so much time. It's simple. So 74 plus 23 is 97, as simple as that. That should be my answer. Yeah, very good. Simple question. 19th one. Let me see how many of you can give me answer. Very good. Ketan and Anushka. Perfect. 19th one. Everyone should solve this and type your answer in the chat box. You have 1 minute to solve this. Start. What is the length of AD is the question. Everyone just type your answer. So some of them types answer as B for Bangalore. Some of them gives D for Delhi. Should get the same answer. How can you get different answers here? And please do remember, if you know a question, you should no way make mistake in the question. You know how to solve a question. No way we should make a mistake in solving a question. So perfect. So now let me tell you. So in the triangle above, what is the length of AD? So since this is 90, this also should be 90. So this automatically becomes 60. So this is 60. This is also 60. So this is also 12. This is also 12. Now, if the side opposite to 90 is 12, 2A is 12. The side opposite to 30 is A. Is not asking the length of BD, is asking the length of AD. So definitely B for Bangalore should be answered. So other options are wrong. So who gave me B for Bangalore is correct. So simple. 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle they can form. Very difficult question if they want to form. So this is one of the models that I can see here. Let us solve one or two questions from this paper itself. That is a line graph. This is a very good question on angles. You are not required to know anything related to circles. Let me see how many of you can give me answer for that. This is a very good question. Simple, but very good question. The only thing that you need to know is distance from center to any point on the circle is radius. That's it. Try to solve. Let me see how many of you can give. Very few can answer this correctly in less than 1 minute. Very, very few. Already student has given answer. Let me see who is this. So I got one answer. I don't know if it is correct or wrong. Vanilla also gave me answer. Very good amount. Last year gave me answer. Guru Raj, Vanilla last year gave me their answers. Kirtan gave his answer. I got 3 different answers on the board. 5 students, 3 different answers. 7 students, 5 different answers. Siddhu gave smart answer. He thought, why should I waste a lot of my time? Let me give a smart answer. Swati gave a rocking answer. Aviram gave some answer. Everyone should solve. I'll give you time. Simple. If you make things simple, it is simple. You complicate, do that, this, nothing. You know where you'll get the answer. If you make things simple, I'm sure. Only point you should know is distance from center to any point on the circle is radius. If you know that, you can solve this question in seconds. Let me tell the answer. Okay, I got the answer. That's it. 2 seconds question. No, not yet. 20 is not correct answer. I'm not reading out the name, but 20 is not the correct answer. 140 is not the correct answer. 90 is not the correct answer. 40 is also not correct answer. 70 is also not correct answer. See how simple is the question, but still we are trying to make mistake. Fast, fast. Don't underestimate anything. Then they'll underestimate. Then the questions will underestimate us. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Yeah, people are giving me answer. I'm very happy. 100. But we should not take so much time here. So almost 3 minutes or 4 minutes to give me answer for this. So I see if I'm the student, how I'm going to solve. I'm joining A and P. This is radius, radius. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So this is also 20. So this is 140 because 20 plus 20 plus 140 is equal to 180. 20, this is also 20 because these two are, so this is also 140. 140 plus 140 is 280. So this is 80. See how simple. Hardly 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4, maximum 5 seconds. I did it in 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 20, 140, 140, 3 minus 280. That's simple, direct, straightforward question. If not, students will join BC, they will try to do something, something, something. They'll use all the knowledge that they have outside this world. So someone says central angle is instead is equal to 2 times instead angle. So you keep an angle here. How do you know this angle here? This is 20, this is 20. How do you know this angle? How do you know this angle to find this angle? First, I need to find this angle. Correct, right? They gave me only this angle and this angle. Okay, leave all that. So with the basic, simple, not teaching you so high-fi things. So the basics, I can solve any question. That is what is SAT is. So SAT is a simple exam. Only thing is you need to have confidence and you just listen to all the concepts that the teacher is explaining. And from the books that I've shared, please do solve all the lines and angles and triangles questions. You need solutions, let me know. I can even share the solutions book. But please do solve more and more questions. Try to become. Next class, I'll explain similarity and congruence of triangles and we solve all the questions related to triangles from any paper that we have. Okay. Yeah. All the best here. I'll see you in the next class. Take care till then. Bye. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.